Hi, let me show you how to invite your staff to Plecto. Let's go. So once you connected all of the systems to Plecto, Plecto will automatically create employee profiles, which you can see if you go to settings and hover over the dialysis right here and click on employees. You will be taken to this employees section. Here's where you manage most of the things related to employees. And here specifically in this active section, you will see what we mean by active is that they have registration within any of the data sources. So for example, you have a new employee in your team and he's sending data, for example, let's say HubSpot or Salesforce, will automatically create a profile once we receive data from them. So that's how these employees are created, most of them, and some of them are created manually, which I'm going to get to in a little bit. So you can see in the data supplier section where data of each employee is coming from. So for Allison, we have some data coming from HubSpot. From Andrew, we have some information coming from HubSpot and Salesforce, and same logic will apply to everybody. Also, we have a login access field that will tell you which of the employees have login access and which don't. What you can do if you would like to give login access, for example, to Isha, you click on this little pencil right here. And there is a login access section right here in which you need to put their emails, their corporate emails, and just click on invite to Plecto, and they will receive an email asking them to create a password, and that's how they will have login access. Also forgot to mention that these profiles are at the beginning managed by the system that they are sending data from. So for example, Allison, these employees managed by HubSpot, if I'm not mistaken. So you will see that the names you cannot edit them. Basically what we mean by managed by other system is that the names and the pictures, for example, are coming from that system. You can change that if you click on manage this employee manually. You will be able to edit the names and just add the pictures manually. Okay, there could be the case that also you want to give access maybe to a developer or a CTO or any other employee that is not necessarily sending data to Plecto. What you can do also is, again, come to settings, employees, and you can create a new employee manually. So in the top right corner, click on new employee and just fill in all of the data that you're being asked for. Then when you get to the login access section, by default, the permission profile will be standard for most of the profiles created. Just input the email and also select the profile that you want to give them. For example, you have global admin, which will have different permissions than these other two. By default, it will be standard again, but if you want to know more about that, just go to a help center and you will be able to know what each profile does. You can also have the option of creating a customized profile if that's what you would like to do. So that's how you invite your staff to Plecto. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, you can reach out to support. And thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.